You will get to know the 9 rules of money that will make you rich. The ninth rule is very crucial, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Establish specific financial objectives. Establishing a clear financial goal is the first step on the path to building wealth. Establishing clear, quantifiable, attainable, pertinent, and time-sensitive financial objectives is essential for achieving success. Setting specific goals, whether it's saving $10,000 for an emergency fund within the next year or aiming for $2 million for retirement in 30 years, provides you with clear targets to work towards and a way to track your advancement. To establish achievable financial objectives, evaluate your existing financial condition and visualize your desired future position. Segment your long-term goals into achievable short-term milestones and document them. Consistently evaluate and modify your objectives as your situation evolves, making sure they stay both ambitious and achievable. Number 2. Establish a budget and adhere to it. A budget serves as a strategic plan for navigating your financial path. This approach enables you to gain clarity on your income sources and expenditure patterns, empowering you to make well-informed choices regarding your financial management and saving strategies. Developing a thorough budget requires monitoring every income stream, detailing both fixed and variable costs, and designating resources for savings and investment opportunities. To create a sustainable budget, it's important to have a clear understanding of your expenses and to allocate funds for discretionary spending. Utilize resources such as spreadsheets or budgeting applications to streamline the process. Achieving success hinges on maintaining consistency. It's important to regularly assess your budget and make necessary adjustments while always aiming to remain within the limits you've established for yourself. Do press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more rules of money to get rich. Number 3. Maintain a lifestyle that is sustainable. One of the most effective strategies for accumulating wealth is to maintain a lifestyle that costs less than your income. This approach encourages you to enjoy life while being mindful of your financial decisions and prioritizing your spending effectively. By consistently managing your expenses to remain below your income, you establish a surplus that can be allocated to savings and investment opportunities. Embracing this perspective involves recognizing the difference between desires and necessities. Before making any purchases, consider whether they support your long-term financial objectives. Explore strategies to minimize costs while maintaining your standard of living, such as increasing home-cooked meals or seeking out complementary entertainment alternatives. Numerous affluent individuals, such as Warren Buffett, exemplify frugality in their lifestyles, even with their considerable wealth. Number 4. Focus on saving and investing. Regularly setting aside funds and making strategic investments are essential components of wealth accumulation. Regularly saving even modest amounts can lead to substantial growth over time, thanks to the benefits of compound interest. Prioritize saving by incorporating it into your financial routine as an essential expense that you allocate to yourself before anything else. Establish automatic transfers to your savings account on payday, allowing you to prioritize saving before the opportunity to spend arises. As your earnings rise, consider enhancing your savings rate. When considering investment opportunities, it's essential to begin as soon as possible and maintain your dedication over time. Take the time to learn about various investment opportunities, ranging from affordable index funds to real estate, and select a strategy that matches your risk appetite and financial objectives. Number 5. Expand your income sources. Diversifying your income streams is essential in today's dynamic economy to mitigate risks. Diversifying your income sources enhances financial stability and promotes faster wealth growth. Redirecting your time and energy towards acquiring or developing cash flowing assets necessitates a strong sense of discipline. Explore various avenues to enhance your income streams, including launching a side venture, investing in stocks that provide dividends, or generating passive income through real estate investments. Consider avenues that resonate with your expertise and passions. Consider exploring opportunities such as freelancing within your area of expertise, generating income from a personal hobby, or allocating resources towards a small business venture. Creating additional income streams may demand significant effort and often an upfront investment of either time or capital, but the potential long-term rewards can be considerable. Number 6. Commit to ongoing learning. Understanding is a crucial component in the journey to financial prosperity. Keep yourself updated on personal finance, investment approaches, and market developments. Explore literature, participate in workshops, tune into financial podcasts, and think about enrolling in courses to enhance your understanding of financial matters. As you cultivate greater discipline in understanding financial management and wealth building, you'll enhance your ability to make well-informed choices. Additionally, focus on enhancing your skills to boost your earning potential in your career or business. The relationship between ongoing education and achieving financial prosperity is evident. Individuals who dedicate themselves to continuous learning frequently find themselves with greater opportunities and resources to accumulate wealth. Number 7. Cultivate self-discipline. Self-discipline serves as the foundation for achieving financial success. It involves the capacity to manage your choices and adhere to your financial strategies, even in the face of obstacles. Establishing financial self-discipline involves avoiding impulsive spending, adhering to your budget, and persistently pursuing your long-term objectives. In managing your finances, cultivating self-discipline holds greater significance than merely understanding mathematical concepts. Your income is only as valuable as your ability to exercise discipline in managing your investments and expenditures. To enhance your self-discipline, begin by recognizing your financial vulnerabilities and developing plans to tackle them effectively. It may be beneficial to steer clear of circumstances that lead to excessive spending or to establish mechanisms that promote positive financial practices automatically. Recognize and appreciate incremental achievements while also extracting valuable lessons from challenges, as the development of self-discipline is a progressive journey. Number 8. Exercise prudent debt management. While not all debt is detrimental, poor management of debt can greatly impede your ability to build wealth. Focus on eliminating high-interest debt, like credit card balances, as swiftly as you can. When considering lower-interest debt such as mortgages or student loans, it's important to evaluate the advantages of early repayment in relation to possible investment gains. Consider leveraging debt wisely when the situation calls for it, particularly for investments in education, business ventures, or real estate. However, it is essential to maintain a well-defined repayment strategy. It's advisable to refrain from utilizing credit for non-essential purchases and strive to settle credit card balances completely every month. Effectively managing your debt allows you to allocate a greater portion of your income towards savings and investments. Number 9. Create nurturing settings. The individuals you surround yourself with and the environment you inhabit significantly influence your financial behaviors. Engage with individuals who align with your financial aspirations and possess comparable perspectives on wealth management. Consider finding mentors or becoming part of groups with individuals who share similar goals in building wealth. Establish a living space that aligns with your financial objectives. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know how you could crack a no-buy year to become rich. This video will also provide you with information to succeed in life. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more financial insights daily.